Okay, so what is my plan is right now, I just want a database for a smallest functionality in my particular app.
Okay.
Okay, so what we need is we need a place where we can store customer information
Mm-hmm.
financially.
Mm-hmm.
So let's suppose we cut out 99% of my app. I came up
Mm-hmm.
with only one functionality, which is if a person takes a photo now and
Mm-hmm.
he posts in online, he will first step is taking
Mm-hmm.
photo for persons
Mm-hmm.
empty space, empty real estate basically.
Mm-hmm.
సో అంటే ఏంది అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర ఖాళీగా ఉంది అనుకోండి సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ స్పేస్ విచ్
Mm-hmm.
ఇస్ ఎంప్టీ యూ గోనా టేక్ ఎ ఫోటో
Yeah.
అండ్ యూ గోనా కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మై యాప్.
You are going to upload into your.
Yeah, then later
Yes.
then later
Mm-hmm.
once it is uploaded, it will have
Mm-hmm.
geocoding in its background.
Yes.
లొకేషన్ అంతా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో సేవ్ అయి ఉంటది.
Yes. Yes.
ఓకే, ఆ లొకేషన్ సేవ్ అవ్వడము, దీనికి ట్యాగ్స్ పెట్టడం అవన్నీ తర్వాత లేండి. లొకేషన్ సేవ్ అవ్వడము, థర్డ్ వన్ ఆ
Mm-hmm.
లొకేషన్కి దగ్గర ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి అది చూపెట్టడం.
Mm-hmm.
ఇప్పుడు నేను
Mm-hmm.
నేను ఓపెన్ చేసిన అనుకోండి ఫ్రమ్ ది అదర్ ఎండ్, నేను ఓపెన్ చేసిన అనుకోండి
Mm-hmm.
యాప్,
Mm-hmm.
దెన్ ఐ నీడ్ టు సీ ది ఫొటోస్ విచ్ ఆర్ నియర్ టు మీ. ఆ
Mm-hmm.
సెకండ్ల చుట్టుపక్కల ఏమైతున్నాయో ఆ ఫొటోస్ కనవాలి నాకు.
Yes.
దిస్ ఈస్ మై యాప్. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో
Mm-hmm.
ఫైనాన్షియల్ సైడ్ ఏంది అంటే అర్థమైంది కదా. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ఫొటోస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఇన్యాక్టివ్ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ tagging a location for it. Third step is
Mm-hmm.
uh, having a good interactive customers, like when if you want in geo form, we are first going to go with geo form, so that pakkana చుట్టుపక్కల
Mm-hmm.
ఉన్నాయని కనబడతాయి. You will get to know all the spaces which are
Mm-hmm.
nearby.
Mm-hmm.
So firstly, when we ask anyone, they will have
Mm-hmm.
this database. We need their WhatsApp number,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and
Mm-hmm.
email ID,
Mm-hmm.
and our total operation to them will be on email basis and app basis.
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
so, and also we are in the app, we are having mobile and web version of app. Firstly, we
Mm-hmm.
are targeting web version of app which is gonna be coded on .NET or Cash. Okay, so right now I need
Dot,
this
dot,
financial
dot net,
analysis.
dot,
Huh?
dot net is nothing but C sharp itself.
అర్థం కాలేదు.
Dot net itself is C hash.
No, yeah, .NET is Cash. Java. Cash or
So
Java.
you are thinking that.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't know. I don't. I'm not expert, but the people say the easiest and the cheapest to build a web application is PHP. PHP. I don't know what type of resource you have.
No, we don't have those resources.
Okay, so you are going with Java. Dot.
.NET.
Okay. The dot net is you are going to use ASP.NET.
Maybe I don't know it. I need to figure it out
Yeah,
according to the
yeah, it's
resources.
an ASP. Yeah, it is ASP.NET.
Yeah, I wrote it ASP.NET. That's cool. Right now,
Mm-hmm.
we need email numbers and email IDs and WhatsApp numbers, so that they can alert. We can alert them. We can send the prices. We can send the the cost invoice, ready-made invoice, and everything to emails.
Okay, maybe I'm jumping too early for you.
Huh?
So then what what is the authentication that they are the real owners of that real estate? What is the authentication we are looking? The fake people can go there, check the account, they can submit it, right? Kaushik,
Yeah,
are
yeah,
you
yeah,
with
I'm
me?
here.
So what is the authentication process you are looking that is a genuine property who is uploading it?
That is on basis of customer ratings. So
Okay. Then what happens if every fake people are applying and submitting that? Then what happening is we are going to screw up.
no, that's okay.
Nobody will
No,
trust
no,
you.
that
Nobody will trust
we will regulate it. We will regulate it. That's in the part of process. But first, I need the functionality to be working. That functionality
you.
is this one. That's a good question. Thanks. I need to think more on it. Actually,
Mhm.
I need to think more on it.
Mhm.
We may need to check out. We may need to
And
include the law people in here. Basically, so
yeah,
we.
what happens is you are telling you are building targeting the first as a web application, right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Web application is there. Then what happens when we are doing a web application is we need to know the longitude and latitude for that property.
Right.
Someone has to submit that.
Mm-hmm.
We cannot identify without this.
Mm-hmm,
If
mm-hmm,
you are
mm-hmm.
using a app, if you are using a app, then there is a chance that we can capture the longitude and latitude of the site. Why? Because the people will take the photo from there, they upload from there.
Right. We are going with, yeah,
When
app mainly.
when you are going to web application, when you are going to web application, the problem happens is someone will take a photo, then he come home, then he'll upload it.
Mm-hmm.
Then those persons has to specify the longitude and latitude, and they need to give us the longitude and latitude.
No, they will give us a address. We will find out the longitude and latitude.
Okay. If they are giving the address, that's fine. Then we can find out the longitude and latitude. I
Mm.
don't know how far it works in India, but definitely in US you can get the longitude and latitude based on the address. Not sure how it works in India.
No, but there will be a checklist in there that they need to upload the latitude and longitude with with the laptop or anywhere by owning like there will be a task of uploading a latitude and longitude that particular place. But eventually we gonna go into app business. But for now we are just making
Yes.
that
Yes. No.
object
No.
ready.
Now I'm telling the issues we need to capture. So
Okay,
I'm
okay.
thinking this is a brainstorm.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Web
Okay.
application may not be possible because of the latitude and longitude.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Did you got a chance to look anyone already built-in app, built-in web applications are there for the real estate? Did you got any open source free
No, no,
websites?
no. Basically what I am trying to
You are
do
not
right now is I'm not gonna look into the internet. I'm gonna build my own community, and we will make sure that whatever problem we are trying to see is solved. It's been like 2 months from me. Like I searched something in Google. I'm going with books
okay.
and everything, so I don't want that whole what comparison thing. If it works out, it works out.
Okay.
Yeah, if there
No,
is need, we will
what
serve.
some of the people they already built and they give us a open source. We can take that and we can customize for ourselves. Here you are going to save a lot of time
Hmm.
and a lot of design. You will get a lot of ideas if you are looking into that.
Okay. Can you help me out? I will share I'm already sharing my screen, right? Can you help me out in going through one single project which you already known?
I don't know. I have to look into the Google. Not in my top of head now.
Okay. Can we meet sometime later for this?
Yeah, I definitely I'll do some Google and I'll try to get something.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's okay, Ramesh. Ramesh. Oh, okay, that's okay. That's okay. And let's move on from there. I will look
Mm-hmm.
into that projects, and I will keep like a 3 to 4 projects to your review. Bring 3 to 4 projects to your review, and we'll mix math and make the things in 4 days. Like our ultimate
Yeah.
goal will be like in 2 months we need to make app every weekend. That may be anything,
Okay.
but see, we don't need a fancy app. We will need just a single words. This app
Yeah.
will do this and the functionality below. That's it, nothing
Okay.
else, nothing else. No advertisements,
Okay.
nothing. Everything will be managed in the back end, such that the customers will not hit it hard. So
Yes.
let's
Yes.
all let's all take off. Is there anything that you think more valuable needed to be explained in here, or we will just move on from here to the database design?
We can go more to the database design for the first functionality what you are thinking.
Right.
The
For
initial functionality.
yeah. For okay. Then let's go ahead. Are you clear about the first functionality?
Yes, I'll repeat once again. So here, basically what happens is when you are going to your database design, we have to identify the entities.
Okay.
Okay? It's nothing but the main actors for us.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the first entity what we are going to talk is on the customer.
Mm-hmm.
So once we identify entity as a customer, okay, then we need to identify what is the next entity.
Mm-hmm.
Next entity is the property.
Mm-hmm.
First entity is customer. Next entity is property.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So a customer can have multiple properties.
Mm-hmm.
A customer can have a multiple properties.
Mm-hmm.
Then what happens is a customer has a multiple properties. Then what happens? We need to have a relationship between a two entities now. Why? Because there is a one to many.
Mm-hmm.
So now we got three entities. First entity is customer. Next entity is your property, and the third entity is relationship between these two, one to many. So that is nothing but customer property is the third entity.
Mm. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
customer property, and the third entity is customer property.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got three entities.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is good enough for our functionality. We are able to capture everything. Why? Because
We
we
need
want
a
the customer
geo-based
information.
dim.
Geo-based dim, no, don't go for dim. That's totally different. Don't go for dimensions or anything. When you go for the property itself, every property has its geo information. It is not separate. A property has a unique geo information.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Let's
So
let, let me let me
that
open.
will capture that.
Let me open SQL Server Management Studio. We will quickly build this functionality in here. Right now, I'm thinking to
Don't,
use.
don't, 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 don't go for SQL Server. Just go for to your paint, the way you draw, right? The way you explain to me.
No, that's okay.
You
What?
explain something. Go
No,
to the paint.
but this is another laptop where I can't go with the pen right now.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, we
That's
will.
fine. Then
Yeah,
go to your Excel.
Excel. Okay, this is my Excel. Whatever I understand is we will have customer table,
Yeah.
customer table. Let's take it as customer. Hold on, please. Let me do this. Okay,
Sure, sure.
customer table, and we do have a table called Property table.
Next, put on next column, put on next column, put on next column. Not here, Kaushik. Next to customer table, you put the property.
So you are saying that
Next to the
these three are of one table?
no. Here you write
No, no.
property. Write property. I'll tell you.
Let me do this. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. Please let me do this.
Yeah.
Property, and
Mhm.
another one is relationship.
Customer property. Yeah, customer property.
Cust prop. Okay. Let's think of this particular columns. Columns. What I need columns for this
That's
particular
all
table.
attributes. That's all attributes. That's all attributes. Now you have identified. Next level is you need to find the attributes.
Right. For customer, we need customer ID.
Yes.
Customer ID. We need the customer's name.
Mm-hmm.
Customer's name. Let me say this thing. Okay. Customer name. ఇంకేంటిది? Customer.
Phone number.
Okay. Phone number. This is type 2. Okay.
Right. Hey. Don't go there. You are not in dimensional. You don't confuse. No type 1, no type 2.
Okay, fine. Phone
Data
number.
warehouse is totally. What you are building is OLTP.
Okay, just we will have a OLTP.
That's what it is. An application will be always an OLTP.
Okay, got it. Phone number, customer's email ID,
Mm-hmm.
and okay.
Address 1, address 2, address 3. Address 1, address 2, city, state, country, city.
Address, state, country, city. Okay. State, address 1, address 2, state, country, city. Okay. A1, A1, A2, state, country, city. Okay.
Zip code.
Zip code. Okay.
Password. Password. This itself will use a login. The customer email ID and password itself is our login.
Right. That works. Hmm.
Okay. So
Yes.
when you are using the user password, we should have some option of login information, but we are not capturing now. But we have to think about that one also. How to handle your security. If they forgot your password, then how to recover the password. Okay,
Hmm.
that we can handle it later.
No, we will keep just
Okay.
their thumbprint in here. Password is their
Yes,
thumbprint.
that you want to keep the password to complete. Okay, that's good. I don't know thumbprint how it works on the web application. I know it works on the apps because the phone has the capability to capture it, but we need to look how it works for
Sure.
web application.
This is known thing. Okay, we will do it later. First, we will build the database first.
Yes. Come to the property, real estate.
Yeah.
Okay. Every property should have a unique property ID. So it is the property ID.
Mm-hmm.
So property name, property name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Longitude and latitude. No, separate columns. Latitude,
Latitude.
longitude,
Mm-hmm.
latitude. So address one, address two, address three.
Okay, address one. Let's keep A1. Okay.
Yes.
And is there any something which we can link in here?
So do
Yes.
you want to keep the cost associated to the property also here itself?
What?
Cost,
Cost. Yes.
cost, area, square feet,
Area.
area in square,
Mm-hmm.
in square
Cost.
feet, okay,
Huh?
area in square feet, and the
Okay.
direction. Yeah, most of the people prefer direction, east face, north face, south face,
We
whatever it
don't
is.
need that direction.
You
We
know it?
we don't need the direction, but we need like 4 columns of habits of that particular real estate. Basically,
What
how
do you
the
mean by
real.
that?
Huh? What I
What you mean by that?
what I mean by that is, see, one real estate will be royal. We will just make the tax appear to the real estate in the tax gonna change on daily basis and weekly basis. But if someone is tagging it royal, it's a royal tag. If someone is tagging with some other name, it's something. We'll have 4 to 5 tags, but out in the customer side they can have numerous amount of tags that will be segregated into 4 to 5 tags, and we will store it here.
Then you need to create one more entity called tax. Tax I'm saying, right?
Yeah, habits.
Tax and habits
Habits
or tax, whatever it
tagging.
is. Habits tagging. Okay. Go over there and put columns.
Yeah.
Yeah. One is habit ID. Habit ID.
Mm-hmm.
Habit. Next one is habit name.
Mm-hmm.
Order. ORDER. Order of display. Order of display. Order of display.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what happening is you put habit ID one as a royal order of display. So how you want to display it? You want to
Yeah.
show first. You
by
got it right.
by trending, like by trending, or we will have our own algorithm that is not explained to
Yes.
the people, but we will go with that algorithm.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
that algorithm can include number of number of people and number of how strong is their word word like how strong is their word mapping.
We can handle that later. Once
Okay, I'm just
we
writing
go
it
on to
down
the
here so that we can make a copy later.
no.
Okay, this is done. This is done. Real estate cost and area is there, and okay,
After each area, you have to keep habit ID over here. Habit ID.
okay, habit id.
Yes.
See it, if it is having multiple habit ids, this gonna have a multiple records, right?
So you want to have a property. How can it be a how can it be a multiple habits? A single property, I am thinking it is only one habit.
mm, I need 2 habits for single property.
You cannot assume two. Either you need to go one to one or Kaushik, or you can go one to many. So
One to
decide
many I
that.
need.
You need one to many. So give me an example to understand.
So area can be royal and the area can be expensive.
So what is the meaning of royal and what is the meaning of expensive?
Royal is the feeling, expensive is the cost.
Royal is the expensive is the cost. Then you need to differentiate these two attributes. Royal is a different habit, expensive is a different habit.
No, what I am trying to say is, for each habit id and property id, oh okay, property id, okay, for each property id, for each habit id, no no, for each property id there will be a numerous habit id. There is a one to many relation in here. Is it okay for you? That's my question.
That's what I want to understand. You are saying royal and you are saying expensive.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Royal, it
Royal,
goes.
royal, expensive, calm, and something else. Calm and peaceful. These are the four tags I want to keep for particular property.
Okay. Okay. Then what happening is we need to separate to another table. Or if you have a good .NET guy, then we can keep this habit ID as a multiple attributes. This habit ID will take. Suppose here cost property is there. We have defined.
No, yeah,
Let us.
we
Yeah,
will keep.
I'll show you what happens is. Here ID is equal to 1. Here you are saying royal. Here ID is equal to, you are saying it is calm area.
C, calm.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
And the third one you are saying is expensive. So a property can have all this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I do have an idea, Andy. Dinki.
Then this becomes what? We have to store as 1Q.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
The .NET code, how they are building it, has to take care of the business process in this case.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, we have to create another table called real estate habit table. Property real estate habit table.
Property, real estate, habit table. Let me see. Property,
Property real estate habit table.
real estate, habit table.
Okay. Once we identify property attributes, I will give the ER model to you.
What is that?
Okay. ER model, entity relationship model.
Mm-hmm. Once, what you need once?
Once we identify all these entities and attributes,
Mm-hmm. You will give the ER model. I will send you this
ER model.
file to you.
ER model, you can understand everything.
Right.
Any development.
Right. That works. Thank you.
That model itself is a Bible for us.
Right. Okay. So this one I think so I can take care of it in hash map, or we will do some kind of that blockchain technology is there, right? We will make the code work on in with it, with that technology in here. uh, that's okay. What will have the customer columns in the cursed prop?
It should have its own ID, trust prop ID,
Crust prop idea.
trust prop ID, trust prop ID, trust prop ID,
Mm-hmm.
prop ID, trust ID, property ID.
Okay. So, yeah, is there anything that I need apart from this? Is my question.
I think this is a good enough.
Once habits are generated, we will make, okay, and also this habit ID will have tags which represent here, no, not here, which represent property and also customer ID.
It represents it associated to the property. The third relationship table automatically associated to the customer.
Hmm. Habit ID. Okay.
No, no, there should not be habit ID. No,
No, but I need this customer to be tagged too. We have two
it
relate.
happens when the property is designed. Here you have your habit IDs,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Once the habit ID is there, you are defined your customer and property over here, right?
No, customer and property or is designed here. But what I am trying to say is, see this here everything whatever we did is one phase. Okay, let me show you one thing. Rename rename it to uh, customer real estate owner. Okay, real estate owner is there here. What I need is
Mm-hmm.
the end customer is focused community.
Mm-hmm.
Let's suppose take there is a creator, there is a content maker, there is a coder, there is a graphical designer, virtual reality guy who need a right praise, right stimulation for him to go and do the things, and he will prefer that wherever he is he can get that place nearby. So what happens is, till now we have the habits and everything from the customer and his property, and we get the habits from here. I got it. But we got the estate, we had the inventory now, but I need
Mm-hmm.
it to sell to the focused work group, right?
Yes,
So here I need let's take this as a customer and consumer.
it's a consumer. It's a consumer,
Yeah, consumer
not
table.
target audience.
Target audience is great concept.
Mm-hmm.
Target audience.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Target audience, let me try the tables and then later we will see. I will get review to you. Okay, first is target audience table,
Mm-hmm.
and next is target audience table, then target audience is the customer rating, customer feedback table, and then target audience, customer feedback. Okay, target audience address, feedback, target audience habits, target audience habits. Okay. Hmm. Then target audience table, let's build from here, Andy. If we have some problem, we will just come back and see what
Don't,
are the tables.
don't, don't jump. Don't jump.
Okay.
Remove the customer feedback. That's not in your initial stage. Remove the customer feedback. Now we have to identify the target audience entities. What will be the target audience entities?
Right.
First thing is target audience table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is you are saying target audience habits.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What exactly is looking? You want the calm place, you want the expensive place, you want the royal place, whatever it might be. You are capturing that in your habits table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What else do you need?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you need?
ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఉంటుంది చూసిర్రా ఆ పర్టిక్యులర్ మన పర్టిక్యులర్ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్‌కి దట్స్ ద టేబుల్ ఐ నీడ్ ఇన్ హియర్.
No, no, we are targeting what are the things we need to capture. Initial capture of the attributes, entities for the target audience. So you are taking target audience table. We are looking the target audience habit. What else we needed?
The feedback from the target audience on this particular real estate.
I understood that. Apart from that,
Apart from that, what else we needed? Uh, we need them to provide the photos for that particular real estate. That is there.
why they?
Huh?
That's the real. I'm thinking about the audience we are offering.
Audience
What
we
else
have
we
to.
need? What are the things we need to capture from audience? His personal information, not our real estate. What are the other things we can? We need to identify his habits. We need to identify his all the usernames and passwords and addresses. What
Nothing else.
else?
That's it. Nothing else.
No, we need to capture. We need to capture what are the preferred areas for him to look into it.
Yeah, that comes in these habits.
Habits is different, right? Area I'm talking. Which area is looking? He may be looking only for Kukatpalli and Charminar. He don't want to look other things. His preferred areas of looking.
But this TA habits are there, right? Where we will have a area column. Let's keep it
Mm,
separate. Okay. Okay.
you have to capture in which area he is looking. We need to capture how much area he is looking.
Yeah, that comes in here, right?
Tab preference area. Okay. And also whether he is looking at a open land, whether looking at an independent house, whether he is looking at an apartment, whether he is looking. You got right what I'm saying.
Yeah,
The
that all
house.
we can allocate in here, right?
Area is my intention is square feet.
Right. What I am trying to say
Okay.
is we will have a columns, and unless the tables should be like A, B, C, D, not so many tables. We are not able to manage so many tables right now.
No, Kaushik. In OLTP system, you should have many tables. Then only you can modify. Then only you can handle it. With few of number tables, you cannot handle it. Then your application grows.
Got it.
The design should the design should be perfect in the ground level itself.
Got it. Go ahead. Take
Requirement
your
should be
time. I don't know then.
yes, yes. Okay. There should be housing type is a different. What are the housing type you are configuring? Housing type is my intention is a independent house, an apartment,
No,
or office space.
everywhere. We just need to have. See, my end goal is to customer to select yes or no. The background work will be taken care of mine. Okay, if he checks if he checks like what is
Yeah,
the.
so we'll provide all the four. We'll provide independent house. We'll provide apartment. We'll provide as a check boxes.
We will
Multiple
provide
check
real
boxes.
we will provide, yeah, check boxes is fine. Check boxes are
Yes.
drop down menu is fine because we have
Drop down,
numerous
drop down
options.
does not. Drop down works only when we select one. But here we have to select multiple. Then checkbox only it has to be there.
Oh, why can't? But we will let's see that. That's not a UI perspective. Let's go ahead and hit the database first. That's a UI perspective. Yeah.
Yes. Take it separate table for housing type.
What is that? Housing.
type.
Type. Mm-hmm.
Square feet. Next one is area type.
Mm-hmm.
Square feet area. Next one is preferred location.
Preference area.
Yeah, preferred location. Area location.
Let's take location.
Preference location.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can we put some sort of costing search criteria for him? Anything?
Yes. Yes.
Then you put that one also.
Okay. Area.
What else we can?
Area type. Area type and what is meant by area type?
Area type is 0 to 2000 square feet, 2000 to 3000 square feet,
Okay.
3000 to 4000 square feet.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What is housing type?
Independent house, an apartment.
Okay. Preference location. What is preference location?
Preference location is Sukapalli, Charminar, Bangalore,
Okay.
Chennai. We were looking for metropolitan cities. Then he select four cities.
This one is not option for me for
So you
now.
don't want to give the option.
Yes, I don't want to give the option.
Then what happens is he is looking for his criteria when he looks. We need to see what happening is he give all his preferences. Target audience will give all his preferences. What type of house is looking, what type of cost is looking, how much type of square feet is looking. Now, when he comes to his home page, you have to show all the inventory associated to that guy, right?
What I'm thinking to do is right now this thing to be okay. Preferences he will give, but we will not provide the options to him.
You won't provide you see we need to help the target audience, right? Once
That
he comes, sees his preference of looking into ideas. If you show to him these are available in my inventory, that will be helpful for him.
no, that's okay. What I am trying to say is okay. What is this customer?
Customer prefer the location.
Preferred.
Target audience prefer the location. Target audience prefer the location.
No, what I am trying to say is let it be here. But what I am trying to say is it is simple enough. When a customer is in a particular place, he will open his phone and he will link that particular place to there, or he will provide the address. Okay, there are only two options. One is going with geo or giving the address. Okay, and
Yeah,
one.
I understood. To make it simple, you understand. When you are doing a web application or something, we have to keep it in mind that we have to reduce his clicks. If you already define the preferred at one time, we will show always his preferred locations. Otherwise, what happening is if you are not capturing his preferred locations, every time he has to come and he has to enter the zip code.
Got it.
Every time he has to come and enter the zip code. Some people does not like it.
Okay, customer costing. Let's suppose take that this amount of tables are enough. Do you think anything still needed to be included?
This little bit coolly we have to think. See, we are doing the brainstorm, but I'm sure when we put everything into a model, a database model, we get a lot of things again.
No, you understood like what is going on, right? You will create the ER model,
Yes.
right? At that
Yes,
time
yes,
you
yes.
can include all those things. I will
Yes,
have a
yes,
review on
yes.
it, and I will ask you to modify it if
Yeah,
needed,
it
but I
also
don't think
it's
so
a
it's
design,
needed.
right? It evaluates. That's what I want to say. It
Yeah,
evaluates.
this is for your references, sir. This particular excel is there, right? That is for your reference.
Yes.
Okay, let's take let's capture the columns.
Attributes.
Yeah, attributes.
Yes. Target audience ID.
Mm-hmm.
It's his name, contact number, email address, everything, address and everything.
Customer feedback. Is there anything that I need to include here?
He is his password.
Okay. Next, customer feedback.
Mm-hmm. So does anything related his date of birth will helpful to us?
Yes.
But people like to use the date of birth.
No.
No, right. But we can give the option if they are interested, we can click it.
Yes.
Keep date of birth. What about gender?
Absolutely needed.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to know like which gender people, and we need to know which age people. Everybody is needed. Like gender is needed. But for now, for first phase is there, right? This is all on second phase. For this first 4 days, I don't think so. We need this
Okay.
all. Yeah,
Okay.
but next time we need this all things. Okay,
Okay.
because age is the matter where we can get the customers, serve them accordingly. Otherwise
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna be a problem. Right now we can't keep the 70 years person to go to a particular place where only 20 years people are there. We just want to get rid of all those things.
But this is the user enter date. You cannot judge it is true or false. They can give the false age, false date of birth.
Then we need to ask them for IDs or something like that.
People don't like to give the IDs.
We are not here to serve numerous customer. We just want 1,000 people to be served.
Okay.
So we will
Okay.
just take the IDs. Then only we will give. They will be get verified. The otherwise we will keep a process where real estate owner will verify this particular person's age by taking the ID.
Okay. Okay. But because yeah, if you are targeting the closed customers, then it is acceptable. If you are giving to everyone, then
No, we are not
it
at all
don't.
looking on everyone.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, customer feedback.
We'll talk on this later. Basically, this is what happening is once he become our customer, then we are targeting his feedback.
Okay, Ramesh garu, is it good enough? Should I send this file to you?
Yeah, it's good enough.
Okay, I'm gonna send you the recording too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks for your time. We
Mm-hmm.
need to have these sessions ready, and also that
Mm-hmm.
day I was asking you, right? Please come up with some quote.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, please text me that. Okay.
Yes. So this code you want for building your this one, right? Not for the support, if my understanding is correct.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And also I need your helps in learning, explaining me the jobs. The SQL Server agent is there, right? I need everything
Uh-huh.
to be explained by you. Can we
Uh-huh.
meet sometime later?
Yeah, we can do at 8 o'clock today.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Uh, sure.
Okay, 1 second. Can you say me your
Mhm.
WhatsApp number?
It's my phone number only 414-801-3006.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, if you guys are interested in taking classes with Ramesh, he's very good at getting the things brainstorm ready, and his WhatsApp number is, please go ahead.
Mhm.
Please go
Yes,
ahead
you
with
can do
your.
that.
Please go ahead with your number.
414-801-3006.
Again.
414-801-3006.
Okay, got it, Ramesh Garu, and I will create a separate group, WhatsApp group, and I will just
Sure.
keep this in YouTube. Okay.
Definitely.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. అన్నా పెద్దన్న ఇది ఒకటి పెట్టావా ఛార్జింగ్ ప్లీజ్